Apiculture, or beekeeping, is a fascinating blend of art and science. Did you know that a single honeybee can visit up to 2,000 flowers in one day? That's a lot of pollen. Each colony can produce anywhere from 30 to 100 pounds of honey annually, depending on the species and environmental conditions. Bees communicate through a unique dance, known as the waggle dance, which helps them share the location of food sources with their hive mates. It's incredible how these tiny creatures play a massive role in pollinating about 1/3 of the food we consume. Maintaining a healthy hive involves regular inspections to check for diseases like varroa mites, which can devastate colonies. Beekeepers also need to ensure their bees have enough space and resources, especially during the nectar flow. And let's not forget about the joy of harvesting honey. The sweet reward of your hard work is truly unmatched. Whether you're a seasoned beekeeper or just starting, the world of apiculture offers endless learning opportunities and a chance to contribute to the environment. Apiculture, the practice of beekeeping, plays a crucial role in our ecosystem and agriculture. Bees are not only vital pollinators, responsible for the reproduction of many plants, but they also produce honey, beeswax, and other products that have significant economic and nutritional value. Approximately 1/3 of the food we consume relies on pollination, primarily by bees, making them essential for food security. The structure of a bee colony is fascinating. Each hive consists of a queen bee, worker bees, and drones, each with specific roles. The queen's primary function is to lay eggs, while worker bees gather nectar and pollen, care for the young, and maintain the hive. Drones, the males, exist primarily to mate with the queen. This intricate social structure showcases the efficiency of nature and highlights the importance of maintaining healthy bee populations. Despite their importance, bees face numerous threats, including habitat loss, pesticide exposure, and diseases. These challenges have led to significant declines in bee populations worldwide, raising concerns about biodiversity and food production. Addressing these issues requires collective action, from supporting sustainable agricultural practices to promoting bee-friendly environments. Individuals can also contribute by creating pollinator gardens, reducing pesticide use, and supporting local beekeepers. Education and awareness about the significance of bees and the challenges they face are essential for fostering a culture of conservation. In summary, apiculture is more than just a hobby. It is a vital component of our ecological and agricultural systems. By supporting beekeeping and protecting bees, we can ensure a healthier planet and a more sustainable future. Embracing apiculture is a step towards safeguarding our environment and food security for generations to come.